If you're looking for a car that's just like new but just doesn't cost new, check out this 2024 Nissan Altima SR. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Your SR is your sporty model. This one is just like new, it's super sharp, and it's got crazy low miles. Around back, dual exhaust outlets, rear park assist sensors, backup camera, SR badging on the trunk. Beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Bridgestone tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual USB charging ports, one of which is the new high-speed USB-C, all in the back of the center console. It's scarlet amber with sport interior. Color key door handles, contrasting black mirror caps, part of that sporty SR package. LED daytime running lights, LED projector headlights, forward collision sensor. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Leather trim bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning that comes with rear cross traffic alert. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. This is the best part. Only 3,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, more USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, and a 12-volt charging outlet. Push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start and power trunk release, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Altima SR, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.